26. Blessed are the undefiled in the way, who walk in the law of the Lord. Blessed are those who keep his testimony, who seek him with the whole heart. They also do no iniquity, they walk in his ways. You have commanded us to keep your precept diligently. Oh, that my ways were directed to keep your statutes. Then I would not be ashamed when I look into all your commandments. I will praise you with the uprightness of heart when I learn your righteous judgment. I will keep your statutes, so do not forsake me utterly. How can I, a young man, cleanse his way by taking heed according to your word? With my whole heart I have sought you. Oh, let me not wander from your commandment. The word I have hidden in my heart that I may not sin against you. Blessed are you, O Lord, teach me your statutes. With my lips I have declared all the judgments of your mouth. I have rejoiced in the way of your testimony as much as in all riches. I meditate on your precepts and contemplate your ways. I will delight myself in your statutes, and I will not forget your word. Deal bountifully with your servant that I may live and keep your word. Open my eyes that I may see wondrous things from your law. I am a stranger in yet do not hide your commandment from me. My soul breaks with longing for your judgment at all the time. You rebuke the proud, the curse who stray from your commandment. Remove from me reproach and contempt, for I have kept your testimonies. Princes also sit and speak against me, but the soul meditate on your statutes. Your testimony also are my delight and my counselor. My soul clings to the rest, revive me according to your word. I have declared my ways, and you answer me. Teach me your statutes. Make me understand the way of your precepts. Socially meditate on your wonderful works. My soul melts from heaviness. Strengthen me according to your word. Um, Remove from me the way of lying and grant me your law graciously. I have chosen the way of truth, for your judgment I have laid before me. I cling to your testimony, so Lord, do not put me to shame. I will run in the course of your commandments, for you shall enlarge my heart. Teach me, O Lord, the way of your statutes, and I shall keep it to end. Give me understanding, and I shall keep your law. Indeed, I shall observe it with my whole heart. Make me walk in the path of your commandment, for I delight in it. Incline my heart to your testimony and not to covetousness. Turn away my eyes from looking at worthless things and revive me in your way. Establish your word to your servant who is devoted to fearing you. Uh, Turn away my reproach which I did, for your judgment are good. Behold, I long for your precepts, revive me in your righteousness. Let your mercies come also to me, O Lord, your salvation according to your word. So shall I have an answer for him who reproaches me, for I trust in your word. And take not the word of truth utterly out of my mouth, for I hoped in your ordinances. So shall I keep your law continually forever and ever, and I walk at liberally, for I seek your precepts. I will speak of your testimony also before kings, and will not be ashamed. I will delight myself in your commandments which I love. My hands also lift up your commandments which I love, and I will meditate on your statutes. Um, Remember the word your servant upon which you have caused me to hope. This is my comfort in my affliction, for your word has given me life. The proud of me in gradation, yet I do not turn aside from your law. I remember your judgment of word, O Lord, and have comforted myself. Indignation has taken hold of me because of the wicked who forsake your law. Your statutes have been my songs in the house of my pilgrimage. I remember your name in night, O Lord, and I keep your law. This has become mine because I kept your precepts. You are my person, O Lord. I have said that I would keep your word. I entreated your favor with my whole heart. Be merciful to me according to your word. I thought about my ways and turned my feet towards your testimonies. I made haste and did not delay to keep your commandments. The cords of the wicked have burned me, but I have not forgotten your law. At midnight I rise and give thanks to you because of your righteous judgment. I am a companion of all who fear you and of those who keep your precepts. The earth, O Lord, full of your mercies, and teach me your statutes. You have dealt well with your servant, O Lord, according to your word. Teach me good judgments and knowledge, for I believe your commandments. Before I was afflicted and they were touched, but now I keep your word. You are good and do good, teach me your statutes. The proud have forged a lie against me, but I have not forgotten your law. Their heart is as fat as fish, but I delight in your law. It is good for me that I have been afflicted, that I may learn your statutes. The law of your mouth is better to me than thousands of coins of gold and silver. Your hands are made me and face in me. Give me understanding that I may learn your commandments. Those who fear you will be glad when they see me, for I hoped in your word. I know, O Lord, your judgment are right, and that in faithfulness you have afflicted me. Let I pray your merciful kindness be for my comfort, according to your word to your servant. Let your tender mercies come to me, O Lord, that I may live, for your law is my delight. Let the proud be ashamed, for I have treated me wrongfully with falsehood, but I will keep your meditate on your word. Let those who fear you turn to me, those who know your testimonies. Let my heart be blameless for regarding your statutes, that I may not be ashamed. My soul faints for your salvation, but I hope in your word. My eyes failed from searching your words, saying, when will you comfort me? For I become like a wineskin in smoke, yet I do not forget your statutes. How many are the days of your servant? When will you execute judgment on those who persecute me? The proud have done to me which is not according to your law. All your commandments are faithful. They persecute me wrongfully. Help me. They almost made an end of me on earth, but I did not forsake your precepts. Obey me according to your loving kindness, so that I may keep the testimony of my mouth. Forever, O Lord, your word is settled in heaven. Your faithfulness endures to all generations. You establish the earth and it abides. They continue this day according to your word, for all are your servants. Unless your law had been my delight, I would the love perished in my affliction. I will never forget your precepts, for by them you have given me life. I am yours, save me, for I have sought your precepts. The wicked have waited for me to destroy me, but I will consider your testimony. I have seen the consummation of all perfection, for your commandments is exceedingly broad. Oh, how I love your law, it is my meditation all the day. Through your precepts make me wiser than my enemies, for they are ever with me. I have more understanding than all my teachers, for your testimony or meditation. I understand more than the ancients, because I keep your preserve. I have rested my feet from every ill way, that I may keep your word. I have not departed from your judgment, for you yourself have taught me. How sweet your words to my taste, sweeter than honey to my mouth. Through your precepts I get understanding, therefore I hate every false way. Your word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my path. I have sworn and confirmed that I will keep your righteous judgment. I am afflicted very much, revive me, O Lord, according to your word. Accept, I pray, the feeble offerings of my mouth, and teach me your judgment. My life is continually in my hand, yet I do not forget your law. The wicked have laid a snare for me, yet I have not strayed from your precepts. Your testimony I have taken heritage forever, for the rejoicing of my heart. Incline my heart to perform your statutes forever to the very end. I hate the double-minded, but I love your laws. You are my hiding place and my seat. I hoped in your word. Depart from me, you evildoers, for there keep the commandments of my God. Uphold me according to your word, that I may live. Let me be ashamed of my hope. Hold me up, and I shall be safe, and I shall observe your statutes continually. You reject all those who stray from your statutes, for their deceit is falsehood. You put away all the wicked of earth like dross, therefore I love your precepts. My flesh tumbles for fear of you, and I am afraid of your judgment. I have done justice and righteousness. Do not leave me to my oppressors. Be sorry for your servant for good, and let the proud oppress me. My eyes fail from seeking your salvation and your righteous word. Deal with your servant according to your mercy, and teach me your statutes. It is time for you to act, O Lord, for I regarded your law as void. Therefore I love your commandments more than gold, yes, than fine gold. Therefore all your precepts concerning all things I consider to be right. I hate every false way. Your testimonies are wonderful, therefore my soul keeps them. The entrance of your words gives light, it gives understanding to the simple. I opened my mouth and panted for a long for your commandments. Look upon me and be merciful to me, as your custom is toward those who love your name. Direct my steps by your word, and let no iniquity have dominion over me. Redeem me from the oppression of man, that I may keep your precepts. Make your face shine upon your servant, and teach me your statutes. Rivers of water run down from my eyes, because men do not keep your law. Righteous are you, O Lord, and I am afraid of your judgment. Your testimony which you have commanded are righteous and very faithful. My zeal has consumed me, because my enemies have forgotten your word. Your word is very pure, therefore my soul keeps them. Your servants loves it. I'm small and despised, yet I do not forget your law. Your righteousness is an everlasting righteousness, and your law is truth. Trouble and anguish have overtaken me, yet your commandments are my delight. The righteousness of your testimony is everlasting. Give me understanding, and I shall live. I cry out with my whole heart. Hear me, O Lord. I will keep your statutes. I cry out to you, save me. I will keep your testimonies. I rise before the dawning of the morning, and I cry for help. I hoped in your word. My eyes are awake to the night watches, that I may meditate on your word. Hear my voice according to your loving kindness, O Lord. Reveal me according to your justice. They draw near, fools follow after the wickedness, they far from your law. You are near, O Lord, and all your commandments are truth. Concerning your testimony, I have known of old, that you have founded them forever. Consider my affliction and deliver me, for I do not forget your law. Plead my cause and redeem me. Revive me according to your word. Salvation is far from the wicked, for they do not seek your statutes. Great are your tender mercies, O Lord. Revive me according to your word. Many are my persecutors and my enemies. O Lord, revive me according to your word. I say the treacherous, and I am disgusted, because they do not keep your word. Consider how I love your law. Revive me, O Lord, according to your word. The entirety of your word is truth, and every one of your righteous judgment endures forever. Princes persecute me without a cause, but my heart stands in awe of your word. I I rejoice at your word as one who finds the great treasure. I hate an ever-lying, but I love your law. 7 times a day I praise you because of your righteous judgment. Great peace of those who love your law, and nothing causes them to stumble. Lord, I hope for your salvation and I do your commandment. My soul keeps your testimonies and I love them exceedingly. I keep your precepts and your testimonies, for all my ways are before you. Let my cry come before you, O Lord. Give me understanding and I shall learn your testimony. Let my supplication come before you. Deliver me according to your word. My lips shall utter praise, for you teach me your statutes. My tongue shall speak of your word, for all your commandments are righteousness. Let your hand become my help, for I have chosen your precepts. I long for your salvation, O Lord, and your law is my delight. Let my soul live, and it shall praise you. Let your judgment help me. I have gone astray like a lost sheep. Seek your servant, for I do not forget your commandments. Amen.